Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Cardano. And for those who haven't seen a chart recently, this is what a bull market looks like. Okay? This is what it looked like. When you see people say, hey, come in and buy the dip, this is what they mean. You want to come in and buy dips when price is trending up. This is what I'm talking about. When the market in Cardano dipped here, buy it. Okay? When the market in Cardano dipped there, buy it. When the market in Cardano dipped here, buy it. This cryptocurrency is still trending. Yeah, Cardano is still bullish. I mean, we're trading at $1.22 when just a couple of weeks ago, during the month of November, we were at 30 cents. This is crazy. This is how volatile cryptocurrency are. They're this volatile at times, which is why it's very important that you always stay keen on these price charts, because by the time the news hit, you may already not be in the play or in position to capitalize off of the move. Now, we did a price prediction in Cardano, right here. Unfortunately, our idea was not right, and I get it. I was looking for the market in Cardano to go lower because we saw the amount of volume. We saw where price was closing on these daily price bars, that we were looking for the market to go down, right? But that even in that situation, it goes to show you that even this selling that happened in the market in Cardano, that the demand was so strong, so overpowering, that those sellers in that pocket could not hold back the demand of people wanting to buy ADA. That's crazy. I mean, it goes that way. So we wasn't able to capitalize off of that move higher for ADA. All right. So now let's get rid of that price prediction. We did not win on that one. But given the price action, like, we already had this trend in play. So if you did see my video, my content, you should not be surprised that the market in ADA is going up. We knew that. I wanted the price to come down, but it didn't even go down to pick me up so that I can ride the market to $1.22. Next thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to get rid of this pocket of selling here, this one, and now this one. Okay. The only reason why the massive spike in Cardano is occurring is because the market is bullish. People want to buy the currency. That's it. Now, once it flips and we see a massive spike down, then that means that people are sellers. There's more sellers in the market than people willing to buy, or they think that where price currently is trading, they don't want to buy it there, so they sell it. The market at certain levels of chart of price, it induces people to act. So when Cardano was trading at 30 cents just a couple of weeks ago, that induced people to buy because they felt that the market was at a discount. It was cheap. It was valuable then. And as price continued to ride higher up this price ladder, some people said, hey, I'm about to take the bag. I'm about to take profit, like right here. Okay. The market still went up. Other people said, all right, cool, I'm going to take the bag around $1.10. Market went down. People like, cool. Now you got people here saying, I want to take profit at $1.30. We will continue to see that until that demand wanes, until the market becomes lopsided to where sellers are controlling the price. And as right now, they're not there. Sellers are not controlling this market in ADA right now. All of these signals that our code has generated is letting us know that the sellers aren't winning. So now, here it is on the 330-minute chart. I want to create the pockets now. Pockets of where I suspect sellers to be more congregated than buyers, which is currently at around $1.30. And then we're going to create pockets to where we think buyers are more than sellers. Okay, so we're going to do that too now as well. Okay. So right now the demand is still there, and this is why I'm telling you that. It's because from the outset of this selling pressure right here, well, I would say on this 5-hour bar, Cardano did dip, right? It did go lower, but it induced more buying right there around $1.15. And after that 5-hour bar printed, look at where it closed. It closed at what, $1.20? And even the market is getting inundated with more selling on this 5-hour bar, and the market is still going up. So it's telling me that the market is still strong because the sellers aren't impacting the price yet in ADA. Not yet, but we're at a point now to where I think I just want to create a draft on this chart, mark the layouts as to where I suspect the buyers to be, sellers to be, and continually watch the market. I need to let this market calm down. Like if I were to come in and purchase this cryptocurrency, I would want to buy it on this trend line and or on one of these pockets. Okay. So here it is on the 2 right now in ADA. The volume is high. We also get that inclination that the market is weak with the market closing off of the highs on that 2-day bar. So it's kind of giving us a clue. We may see the market initially go lower, like I did in my last video. We may see it initially go lower. I want to see how low it's going to go. But in the last situation, our last prediction, the market didn't go low at all. Like the next day, it continued to trend up higher in price. Here it is, 11 hours, 54 minutes left in ADA, and the market is currently closing off the highs right now. Okay. Now this was another thing right here on the 3 as to where you can say, look, weakness occurred in the market at 8 on this 3-day price bar, but we didn't get, the market didn't play out that way. You would expect the market to continue to go lower in ADA, but then in the next 3 days, it went higher. It closed higher than the previous day bar. That also gave you confirmation that this cryptocurrency is still bullish. So I'm pretty much done. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm still expecting the market in ADA to continue to trend that direction. The reason would be, hey, the trend line has been broken. A lot of our code is signaling that the market isn't buying. And whenever the market does go down, the buyers buy up whoever is trying to sell their ADA. Okay. Even though I'm not dropping the price prediction, the idea is that this cryptocurrency is still maintaining its ability to go up. All right. So once I see something different, once I see, hey, this may be an opportunity to come in and drop a price prediction, I will. Until such time, this cryptocurrency is bullish. This cryptocurrency is still aiming for higher prices as of right now. Now, let me tell you this before I go. If the market in ADA comes to this seller's pocket up here at $1.30 and it comes back down, then that is creating a very strong point of selling. Okay, so if I take it all the way back to 2022, you guys see this, right? This was the last time ADA was able to trade at that price. Okay, and we're here again, 2022. So matter of fact, we can go ahead and create these areas that we will suspect ADA Cardano to see more selling. Okay, so now let me bring it back to right now. So let me get rid of that one because the market did break that seller's pocket. Let me get rid of this one since we already created it. And these are the pockets right here that could potentially stop the buyers from breaking out. That area right there. Okay, now this goes back to 2 years ago, almost 3 years ago. So we'll see if this massive volume down here from us going from 30 cents all the way up to $1.22, if this is going to be enough to break those pockets of selling up there above us. All right, so that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.